Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. It's Mishi. If you've ever thought green eyeshadow doesn't pop on dark skin, today I'm about to change your mind. I'm about to prove you wrong. In this video, I'm creating this green eyeshadow look. As you can see, so I'm using the avoid the line of demarcation. You have to get rid of the lines. Always get rid of the lines of demarcation, because otherwise it kind of just looks funny. But I'm not leaving the house. If I was leaving the house, like, I would put like go through the curls so that it can be fluffier, because I feel like when the hair is really looking big, it looks better. Once you're done with your makeup, this is the last step. This is the 3-second setting mist from L'Oreal. If you haven't gotten your hands on this, you're sleeping on this, girls and gents and ladies out there. You're sleeping on this. This setting spray, setting mist holds holds everything in place. You want to apply it when you're sure, 100% sure you're done with your makeup, because after the 3 seconds you cannot move anything. Okay, so you want to really shake it well. Hold it at a distance. Oh. Woo. We are done. I love this look. So this is the final look. Let me know in the comments. Would you rock this green eyeshadow, or is this outside your comfort zone? If it's outside your comfort zone, I'd also say it's something that used to be out of my comfort zone until I met my friend yesterday and she had green eyeshadow and I was like, I have to try it out. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification so that you never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.